Little update, we moved far away into the forest where it does nothing but rain at least 10 months out of the year. So I thought it was time to have a place to work outside. I built a shop, just has a dirt floor for now, but working on that. Got some projects going. Finally able to unpack my tools and get set up in here. The downside to a metal garage is the condensation on the roof. It's still raining inside here, but nothing as bad as it is outside. Right, now that the main hoop and the windshield hoop are done, I think maybe some door bars would look real cool. Just notching all this by hand and it seems to be working pretty darn good. This is a recycled tubing from the original roll cage. Both of these two sticks were in pretty good shape, so I could reuse them. The rest of this cage is 1-inch schedule 40. Seam welded, works pretty good for off-road stuff. I wouldn't trust it for a roll cage in the race car, but it should be plenty strong, and it is about 3 times the thickness of the original roll cage that was on this thing. Getting to me. I wanted this build to be as symmetrical as possible, but I think we're right on the money. $57.6. Since it's a flux core, I did have to clean up the welds a little bit, but that's okay. Once we get everything powder coated, you won't even be able to tell. Now, working on the roof, and I'm not quite sure what to do with the roof yet. I did want to have a really thin piece of ABS plastic on the roof, just for dust and rocks when we're riding with other people. So maybe something like that, and just be angled on the top. kind of complicated because the windshield hoop is smaller than the rear roll bar hoop. So it's gonna have to go in at an angle. Another thing I didn't think of is getting into it. So if I add too many brace bars and everything, you won't be able to get into this thing very easily. So nobody's gonna wanna drive it. So, more things for solving, I guess. Another thing I have to take into consideration is how far away are the bars going to be from the driver and passenger's head. So let's face it, not always are people wearing helmets and harnesses. On that note, always wear your helmet and your harness. Don't try anything that you see on my channel. We are trained professionals. Looks like my order from Go Power Sports finally arrived.